Don't let their adorable Hawaiian shirts fool you. These are two of the angriest felines I've ever had the pleasure of meeting.
You're mean. Oh my god. Yeah, this is gonna be interesting. Are we gonna be able to groom you guys today? Because I don't think so. What is going on? You seem decent, but your sister over here is the devil. Oh god. Such a weird sniff noise this cat's making. Can I remove your shirt? No. Oh my god. I'm thinking I'm asking for trouble with you guys. Do you know what this is? Have you been bubbled before? Why is this my life right now? These cats are mean. Would you like a snack? You like it? You don't like anything. Why are you so mean? Cats are a different ball game, okay? Why? Okay, let's see what happens when I touch her with the brush. So I can't brush you? These cats came from 4 hours away. The owners were very excited to get them groomed, but I don't think that this is a doable cat. Holy man! What is happening? Try a treat. So here's a fine example of two felines that I do not have the confidence in touching. Especially you. You are evil. It's just a brush. They're so mean. You guys don't even like each other. Why? Why are you like this? I appreciate you both for coming from 4 hours away. I apologize to your owners, but you are the meanest cats I've ever seen. The meanest cats in Hawaiian shirts. Thank you so much for coming. Please don't come again. Go home. Thank you. And you go home too. Go home. They both came in one carrier. They're both going to have to leave in one carrier. Sir, ma'am, please go in your house.
The good news is, the owners take very good care of these cats, and they did not actually require grooming. And considering how stressed out they were, I decided to keep my face today.